Why factories exiting China are preferring Vietnam over India? Many big industries in China want to relocate their manufacturing units in some other countries. The reason is that the production cost is increasing in China from past few years. Secondly, due to trade war between United States and China, there is escalation of tariffs which is making the exports from China more and more expensive. To relocate their industrial units, companies are preferring Southeast Asian countries, especially Vietnam and Thailand. Between April 2018 and August 2019, 58 companies relocated their manufacturing units from China, and out of these, 28 went to Vietnam and only 3 came to India. India is the fifth largest economy of the world with 3 trillion GDP, whereas Vietnam comes at 45th rank in terms of economy. India is a large consumer hub also, but still companies are preferring Vietnam over India. There are several reasons for this. One reason is ease of doing business. It is comparatively easy to establish and run business in Vietnam than many other countries. In Vietnam, there is a single point contact, a person who takes care of everything from government side. Industrialists have not to run from one government office to another to get permission or licenses. Secondly, Vietnam is spending a lot more percentage of its GDP over infrastructure than India. Development of infrastructure includes both physical infrastructure and social infrastructure. Physical infrastructure includes communication, transport, warehousing, etc. Social infrastructure includes education and healthcare. Thirdly, the currency of Vietnam, which is dong, this is less volatile than Indian rupee. The reason is that India followed a flexible exchange rate from 1991, but Vietnam has not fully adopted the flexible exchange rate system. Less volatile currency of a country gives more assurity about the money invested and the profits. Another thing is that the labor force for the industry coming from China is easily available in Vietnam because industries in China and Vietnam are already similar. The export items and import items of both these countries are similar. Therefore, it is easy to get the skilled manpower similar to China in Vietnam also. Another thing is that Vietnam is located close to manufacturing hubs in China. It is easy to export the components to the assembly points in China and import the components from manufacturing hubs in China to the assembly points in Vietnam.